Alright, one of you guys go over here.
Connor, stay there. Gotta do that.
Keep taking you like a There you go. Can I have you send? Yep, here we go.
That's good. Tighten it, guys. Tighten it. Here we go. Looking at me. And again, holding. One more. Good to go.
All right. Do this. Is it our turn to pull?
Let's go.
All right, guys, you want to kind of center up in front of the truck and have a couple of kneelers in the front row, maybe holding that.
Wow.
For a couple of pictures. What's that? Tip that sign a little forward to me. There you go. And holding that for a couple of pictures, guys. Eyes here. And a couple more. Again. And another one or two. Right there.
After the event, everybody's invited back to free drinks at the Maxwell Loft. I don't think it's not kidding. I'm not kidding. Okay. Alright, those of you going to the Maxwell Loft after the event, everybody's welcome.
Tighten a little. Right in there. All right, guys, hanging in for a few.
You got it, man.
Great, couple more coming up.
There you go.
And again.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Nice job. Right behind the fire engine on the other side of the Jersey Towers. Once it lands, then you'll be able to approach it.
And eyes this way, guys. Gonna hit a couple of these. And again. Right there. And one more time.
2, 3, go! Let's go! Let's go, guys! Go!
Do it with 10? Can they hit gas? Hit the gas for us?
All right, guys, can I get a couple of kneelers in the front row? Yep. And guys, shift. I need somebody on this side of the sign. Kneel. Somebody on that side. Yeah, so we can even it up a little bit.
All right, so you guys in the back row, take a step to your right.
Yeah. This way, just to get in front of the truck a little better.
Applause for Alexander shielding out the inflatable helmet like the Patriots do onto the field. It's really neat to see.
And again.
I encourage if anybody wants
Right
to
in
come
there.
down
All
and see it.
Here we go.
Correction officers
All right.
You're all invited to come. We want you to come in uniform. You'll be on the field with the athletes. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on now! You got it! Go! You got it! Come on now! Go! Let's not go! Come on now! Go! Stop! $15.90. Great job, guys.
Guys, can I get you guys to kneel down and be in the front row?
Bobby's like, yeah, right.
Back row, come up. Here we go. You're perfect right there, man.
You guys look great.
Can't want you looking here. Hands down, no. There we go. Look at me.
Hey, Bobby.
Hold on, another one. Ready? And the last one, guys, looking over here.
All right.
One, two, three, pull, pull, come on, man. You got it, come on. Go. Let's go now, let's go here. Let's go. Stop. Nice job. $13.40, awesome.
These guys hold the sign. There we go.
I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
Okay, and hanging in there, guys, for a couple of shots. There's one. And a couple more like that. Last one.
All right. It's all right. Don't worry about it.
We're kneeling closer to the sign right there, and everybody else coming up tight.
I feel like Yes! Whose thing is that? I don't know who's doing that. It's all about the Oreo cookie. Is that a dipstick?
Here we go. Another one coming up. Don't move it.
There's another one coming
The last
up.
one.
Oh, God. I can't take it.
Look at this way, guys.
Too many.
Look, the mask. All right, get the mask on in. We got you.
Three, pull. Come on, guys. Let's go. Holy cow. Go. Stop. 9 seconds.
Can I just get one person to kneel down with that sign and everybody kind of group around them? There we go. Just like that. That's great. And I want you to hold that just like that. And we're going to hit a couple of these.
Settle up next time. You got that big stuff.
And again. And a last one coming up.
All right.
All right, baby 7 people, but ready? On the mark, get set, go! Come on! Let's go! Nice job. 10:57. That wasn't a unified team.
All right, everybody, move Team 6! Yeah! Team Jordan!
I see you guys.
Everybody do something fun! Go!
All right!
First time here, but we're ready to go. Pull! Let's go! Come on now! Go! Stop! Let's go!
This is awesome.
This could be dangerous. You guys... Pull! Come on, guys! Go!
There we go. Look it over here, guys. Here we go again. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Did you get one?
They went too quick.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Over the field. Good job. Good job. Hey. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep on going. Keep on going.
All right, Nick. Nick. All right, buddy.
1460. Nice job.
Each other.
Yeah, exactly. All right, yeah, kneeling just a little more. Yeah, right there's good. Eyes. Over here. Hey, guys, looking. Duncan, buddy, looking this way. Here we go. And another one. Here we go. Malik.
All right, great stuff.
All right.
Three, pull. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, go. Pull. Nice job.
They let you up for this picture? All right, here we go. Right there. Good.
Okay. Awesome.
Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Go. Come on now. Go. Stop. 1078. Nice job.
Come up nice and tight. Hold the sign to me a little bit. You're perfect. Hanging in there, guys.
They also have their
And a couple more.
They have their names on their back. You can make sure around.
Yep. You want to turn around?
Yeah, you guys turn around. Names on the back. Ready to take the sign? Turn around. So it's all names.
Yep. Yeah, do the same thing kneeling, though, so we can see all the
Oh,
names.
wow.
You got it. I like it. Beautiful. Ready. Set.
To go. They will take a quick break. We're going to change over.
Got it.
Wait, now there's a sign.
Pull, let's go. Come on now. Go. Come on now. Go. Stop. Nice job. Food and beverages and the extra tips will go to Special Olympics. It's a great time.
Oh, no problem. All right, guys, eyes this way.
Correction officers
And I'm going to hit it a couple more times. Don't move
It's a
it.
really good time for a good cause.
And again.
And it's exhausting, but we need you to come on up. So if you want to do it, stop by the LHC out there.
I think this is the largest group so far.
Big group. Patriots Place, Saturday the 23rd.
Team Project Unite!
Come on now. Pull. Stop. Nice job. 13:47.
All right, guys, you got to look this way. We're ready, set, and we're going to hit it a couple more times. Ready, set, and right there, and the last one. Holding.
Not the last one. I got
Not
to do
the
one
last
too.
one.
Yeah.
One more.
Okay. Hey, you gotta get out of my way.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Sorry.
Jump
Ready,
in. Go
everybody?
ahead.
Sorry.
Right here, guys.
Ready? 1, 2,
It's
3.
your part of the group that's very used to
There you go. Sorry about that. Sorry.
drunks and everything else that come. 2, 3, pull. Stop.
Just like that is good. And keep the eyes here for a couple. And one more time, guys. Hold in 1, 2, 3.
All right.
3, pull.
One more in there. There we go. And guys, gotta be looking in my direction. You gotta tighten it up. There we go. And I want you to hold that for a couple of pictures. Ready? And one more time, guys. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Go, come on. Let's go. Come on now. Stop. Nice job. 12-9.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
Sure.
Go ahead. And hanging in there, guys. We're gonna hit it again.
Big shout out to Stacy, Jeep, and Chrysler who came out to sponsor and grab the help. I would say all the kids in the show and grab the back right now. So, 1, 2, 3, go! Come on now! Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Stop!
Okay, guys, looking this way, Hannah. Here we go. And another one. Don't move it. Ready, set. Last one, Hannah. Looking at me. Hannah. Sit.
Let's go.
All right.
So we have the Massachusetts National Guard, we have the Pacers cheerleaders, and the Hellers Angels cheerleaders. Okay, is that big round of applause?
Wow.
Are you ready to go? 1, 2, 3, pull! Come on, guys! There you go! Nice job. All right, very cool. Thank you, guys. Nice job. One of the constants is grabbing his heart. What does that mean? Raising money for cancer research for Dana-Farber. So we have the Mansfield pink patches. There's probably about
Awesome.
about 20 in the state to do this. They're $10 a piece. If anybody wants one, all the money's going to go to...
You guys are really getting a workout today. You guys are really getting a workout today. Trucks and everything.
Just come see. 3, 4, let's go. Come on now. Yeah, that's no joke, is it? Come on now. Let's go! Obviously, it was a much lighter driver earlier. Come on now! He didn't have it. Come on, let's go! Come on now! Let's go! You guys got it! You guys volunteered for this! This is awesome! Come on now, let's go! You got it! Go! Stop!
Wow.
39-69. Nice job. On your mark, get set, go! Come on now. You got it. Come on, guys. Let's go. Bristol County Sheriff. First year. Kicking ass. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Come on now. Stop. Are you guys ready? Go, go, go. Come on now. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Stop. One, two, three, pull. Let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 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 Stop. Pull. Come on. Let's go. 65,000 pounds. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Come on now. Come on, mighty movers. You got it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You got it. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Come on now. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Stop. 29.97. Nice job. That's going to be the top 5 teams will be pulling back at the end. So that's a nice white truck. That's like a baby truck. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Pull. Come on now. Let's go. Come on now. You got it. Let's go. Come on, the whole FOB. Nice job, guys. Outstanding. Let's go. Stop. Oh, you can yell. Nice job, guys. Let's go. Go. Come on, Rob. Go. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, pull. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, Mendon. Outstanding. Come on now. Good job. Come on, Mendon. Let's go. Come on now. Go. Come on, pull. Stop. Nice job. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pull! Come on! Let's go, Rocky! Pull, man down. Pull. Alright, next up, two again. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, pull, let's go! Come on now, let's go! Go! Come on now, you got it, go! Go! Come on now! Come on now! Go! Stop! All right, you guys ready?
I didn't hear him say pull.
Hey everyone, Larry here is bald. Yeah, and he has no hair because he's shaving off.
And that's why I'm involved in Special Olympics. Thank you very much.
I'm good at pulling fire trucks.
You are, Daniel. Good job. Okay, Mansfield, don't ever pull.
Oh, look at he has him on his head.
You gotta go. Hold on.
You missed it. He has him on his head.
Go, Hayward.
Hey! Back ride.
Go. Stop. What team is playing?
Go straight.
It is. But you
You ready?
I am going to eat.
2, 3.
Starving.
Pull, let's go.
Pull. Come on now.
Come on.
No, I'm not. I'm
Let's go.
exhausted. I'm exhausted. Ready.
Come on, Sean, go. Come on now. Go. Seems like forever, doesn't it? Go. Keep on going. Stop. 22-41. Nice job. Not raining anymore.
Don't jinx it.
Right, we're not doing it. We're done.
You guys ready?
But it's still slippery to fall.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pull. It's moving. 65,000 pounds.
Wow.
Go. Come on. You guys can do anything. Let's go. Go. Come on now. Go. You're laughing too hard. Go. Come on now. You got it. Go. Come on now. You got it almost there. Stop laughing. Come on, you got it. Good job, guys. Good job. Come on. A little
Don't
more.
fall.
Come on. Go. Come on. Keep on going. Keep on getting tight. Go. Come on, go. Nice job.
All right.
Project Unite is an amazing group. All right, guys, you ready?
Stay low.
Go, Porter! Dig in, kid!
Come on, Porter. Woo!
Porter, if you fall, roll out of the way! Dig in, kid!
Okay, we ready?
Don't forget the touchdown!
1, 2, 3. Pull.
Oh!
Go.
That was good.
22-47.
Nice job.
You got 12? Alright, we got 6 with 12. You can fix this up. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Pull. Come on now. Come on. Let's go. Go. Come on. Mansfield up. Come on, Mansfield up. Pull this. Come on now. Let's go. Go. 22-15. Nice job. Go. Go. Obviously, they're all 1, 2, 3, go! Let's go now, come on! Come on, 36,000 pounds, let's go, let's go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Pull, stop! Nice shot. Three, pull. Come on, guys, pull.
Okay, hold!
Go. Come on now, go. Pull. Stop. Nice job. Nice job.
Don't turn around until the front
Alright guys. Let's go.
Horses!
To the top dog. Go. Come on now, go. Stop! 12:09. 12:09. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, guys, let's go!
Hey, go stand next to big piles of You hear the song? All we do is this.
1, 2, 3, go! Let's go, come on now. Come on. Let's go. Go. 1181.
I don't know 1181. 1181. Yeah.
Meg Hoffman, is she around? I want to thank everybody. It wasn't the greatest weather, but it was an amazing turnout from everybody who came out. Big round of applause. Big round of applause to all our athletes who came. The big part is inclusion. All our events include our athletes. And we want to thank all the trucks and the vehicles, the National Guard, the cheerleaders, and everybody who came out, and all the volunteers. We couldn't do this without all the amazing volunteers, and a lot happen to be family members. Thank you very much for everything. I want to turn this over to Meg Hoffman. She is our liaison for the Law Enforcement Torch Run in Massachusetts.
How about Detective Sergeant Larry Crossman here and his team? Thank you so much, Larry. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes work that goes into this event, and on behalf of Special Olympics Massachusetts, thank you to each of you for being here. I cannot tell you the excitement from the growth in a year for this event, and you guys do not disappoint. We know this is a fun event for you guys, and we appreciate that and hope you keep coming back because it's fun. Please know that the money you raise and the involvement goes directly to support your local Special Olympics Massachusetts athletes. That's a unique thing we have. You're going to see exactly where your your money goes. So a lot of these athletes that are going to be here, they get to compete at Gillette Stadium in the sports of flag football and cheerleading on November 11th. I cannot think of a better venue for our athletes, our champions, to play in the same field as our New England Patriot champions. So you guys have completely blown out any goal I could have ever set. And so we have a check presentation for just over $23,000. John and Kyle are athletes of the year for Bristol County, who will be honored along with Larry and Andy Heller at those games. So now for the moment you guys have all been waiting for, I'm going to give this back to Larry to announce our winners. Thank you so much.
Outstanding. Thank you, guys. $7,000 more this year. That's incredible. So we're going to first have the all the unified teams, if they could come up, any of the unified athletes, if they want to come up.
The picture. Come on, guys.
Outstanding.
Hands down, Dan. Hands down.
Good job.
Awesome.
Congratulations, guys. We'll proudly display that at the police station in the lobby. Thank you very much. And guys, don't go away too far. Okay, we're very proud. Charlie, that's okay. The most important person here, right?
You here. Jonathan, Kyle, come with me. I'm not standing by myself.
Good job. Congratulations. Nice job. Thank you very much. Okay, this year we have the #1 Project Unite. Project Unite. They might be under the tent texting each other. No, they're not.
So as they come up, I just want to set the stage for this group. No pressure, guys. In 2018, these individuals are responsible for organizing one of the largest Special Olympics competitions in the state. Definitely our largest school competition.
Wow.
Some of you may have heard about the Attleboro Area School Day Games. That is celebrating its 30th anniversary next year, which happens to be the same year Special Olympics is celebrating their 50th birthday. So at Attleboro High School in June, over 700 athletes from the community will be supporting. So they work year-round for that event. So I'm going to say ladies because you're all ladies standing in front of me. Thank you very much.
Okay, so we're going to go to the civics group. Second year here, we'd like to present this too. They'll show it proudly at their lodge. The Mansfield Elks 2. All right, remember, free drinks. No. I'd like to thank some amazing athletes in Mansfield. When I put the call out for some of my kids to come, I call my kids, I'm a bowling coach as well, so I know a lot of them from coaching them. But they came out, and altogether, Mansfield Police Unified has raised $4,598.
Wow.
Into Mansfield. Come on, Daniel. Let's go. Nice job, guys. I'd be remiss if I didn't say Mansfield, Framingham PD, they raised $3,600. $3,600. Amazing. These numbers are crazy. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Okay, we have first place in the first responder division. First place is Walpole State Moving Company. First place. There you go. Come on, get on up there.
Put it up. Go!
They're still coming.
Go! Get him on there! Get him on! Let's go!
We need some color here. Come on.
Hey!
Oh, there we go. Bruce, come on.
Good job, guys! Woohoo!
These guys have been here from the very beginning. Thank you very much. It means a lot.
That's right.
Amazing. So Walpole State Moving has, their total is 37.24. Framingham Finest is 37.14. That's crazy. Congratulations. Top dog. Some amazing money for Special Olympics. Congratulations.
So, Framingham, let's go! Everyone!
All right, down front. There you go. How great is that? All for Special Olympics. We all thank you. Val thanks you. Caitlin thanks you. That's what it's all about. Nice job.
I couldn't get
Thank you so much for everything.
They're so close
Thank you to all the teams. Thank you all the spectators, the families, the volunteers. Thank you for all the vehicles.
Squeeze them all in. Yeah, it's hard.
It's kind of hard.
Thank
The
you.
raindrops.
Thank you,
Great.
guys.
Awesome. I didn't know you were here.
Ben Ragazzo.
Especially
RK. All right.
Thank you. My mom might know, so I'll hold our backgrounds and I might. Honey, you over there?
All right, we have a ticket. One up game from Cheryl Farley. Cheryl Farley.
One up game!